Hello, Steve. My name is Brad, and I'm sending you a free video. And I want to thank Roxanne, your secretary or your receptionist, whatever she may be. I didn't get into details with her, but I want to thank her. She is a very pleasant person to talk to. And I went over a little bit of this with her, and she said she thought you would like this video to help build your web page up. You can see I have your web page up here already, Steve, and we're going to get right into this. There's three different points we're going to go over. One is content, another is backlinks, and the third is citations. Content is the amount of words you have on your web page. So all these words you have in here, that's referred to as content. And Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words to get you ranked on their web page. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy. I'm going to this thing called word count. And it looks like, just to make sure, but I already have you here. Copy and paste. So you have 949 words on your web page, okay? This is a free tool you can use yourself. There are a few other ones out there along this line that you can pull off as well. And they, again, are free. So let's go into your competitor. Again, all we do is copy and paste, go into word count. They have 834 words. So you're doing a little bit better than them in here. That's great. But again, Google's looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. Um, Now let's go into keywords. Okay. Keywords is anything someone might type into a Google looking for your business. So if you're in plumbing, they're going to type in plumbing. For example, let's go here. So to find your competitor, I've just typed in up here plumbing in Janesville. If you're looking for pizza, I'm sure you've looked for pizza, clothing, whatever it might be. You just type this in here and it brings up a lot of things. So to find your competitor, that's what I did. And I found him at the very number one spot um, on what we refer to as map its, okay? And I don't see you in here at all. Down here is what's called organics. Now, Lens, I didn't search them because they were in the number three spot, but they do pull up in the number two spot on organic. And organic is actually the number one spot that people are going to go to when they're looking for something. So when they piped in plumbing, they're going to come down here and look, and they're going to click on these links. So and I'm sure you want to as well, is to get you right up here because that's going to get you the first click, okay? The same here. We want to get you into the number one spot here. Mapits is the number two spot that people click on to go to your web page and to find you or your competitor, whoever it might be out there. So that is your goal. My goal is to get you in these two number one spots. And if I scroll down more, I still don't see your name in here. We'll go into page two. And again, I'm not seeing your name in here yet. Here's your number one competitor out there in Mapits. And here you are on page two as well. But if you're like me and you've done this before, I'm sure most people don't go into the number two spot or three spot. They go right here because people are busy. They don't have time to do research and stuff, so they just click it right back in here. Um, Backlinks. We'll talk about backlinks next. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website, clickable or hyperlinks text. And these links act like an endorsement for your website, okay? So they're saying, I guess a better way to say it is it kind of works like a popularity contest, Steve. Um, So the better the backlinks you have, more people clicking on them, going back to your website, the higher ranking you get. And that's possibly how these guys are getting in here as well, is with their backlinks. All right, talk about backlinks. Let's go into this. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs. This one, however, Steve, is not free. It costs about $180 to $220 a year for this. I've had it for a while, so I don't know the exact price in that, but it's right in that area. So, talking about backlinks, you have 47 backlinks. And if we click on this, we can see where you are getting your popularity from. So pipe drainers, Madison, energy plumbers, and you can look over here. So the traffic, you get like 10.5 million, 1.81 million. Okay, so you're getting quite good traffic off of these. All right, backlinks. Let's go into your competitor. He has 132, and that's a good reason why he's on the #1 spot on Mapits. Again, if I click on this, it comes down, it tells us where his backlinks are coming from. Again, like 10.5, he's getting it from the 30 best plumbers is one of his big ones. Again, here, that's where he's getting them from. His name, people must know his name out there, so they type it in there. So this is where they're getting their the popularity contest coming back to you and to them, of course. Let's skip into citations. A citation is anywhere on your business name, where your business name, number, and address have to be shown exactly as they are on here. So, for example, your competitor here, if they were missing this and, or if they were missing this comma, or this dot right here, the backlinks wouldn't be coming back to them here. So the same with you. We want to make sure that your backlink is exactly as it is on your web page. All right, so that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Of course, like I mentioned when we first started here, there's a lot more to this that we can go over. But these are some of the areas, like I said, your keywords and backlinks and stuff that's going to get you into the #1 spot. And again, bring you in more revenue. Like I said, I don't know if you want time with family, if you just want to take more vacations, you want to hire more associates, employees, whatever it might be. What I'm doing right now, Steve, is I'm going on keywords. I kind of missed that a little bit ago. But you can see, like I said, keywords or have anything to do with your business does. So you wouldn't necessarily want a Pizza Hut in here, or pizza, or shoes, okay? So as you can see, like I said, you get quite a few keywords. Pipe Dreams is bringing in 600. Lifespan water heaters 500. And your top ones up here are 600. Going to your competitor quick, they have 71. And you had 50, okay? So they got you out there, outbeat a little bit. Again, remember that organic area, that's where people are going to find you. Let's click on your keywords. And again, it looks like they're using their name. As you can see, you can spell things, you can put an S out of there. It also, bring in different keywords, okay? So you can see the volume they're getting from some of their keywords here. Sanitary piping, Bessie Diner. I don't know how they're getting so many from Bessie Diner, but like I mentioned, this isn't one that you would want on your web page. You would want to replace that with a better keyword, okay? All right. In closing, again, I'd like to thank Roxanne and I'd like to thank you, Steve. I hope you watch this video to the end, because if you don't, it's not going to do you as much good. You won't understand everything that we've just gone over here. This is what I do for a living. If this is something that you would like some more information on, you can reach me at 608 574 2784. or you can just reply to the email I'm going to be sending you with the video. There will be a link on there. You just click on that and it'll take you to YouTube to watch the video, okay? I thank you for your time. Thank you, Roxanne, once again, and you have yourself a great day.